Hi, I'm going to show you how to create a new plant from a cutting. So what you need first is a stem from a plant without a flower, and you take that stem, and the first thing that you need to do is to cut just below a leaf joint. So a leaf joint will have usually a pair of leaves either side, so you make that cut close to the leaf joint and then remove the leaves either side of the leaf joint. Okay, and then what you also then need to do is remove anything above the first pair of leaves, and you might be able to use that for additional cuttings. So the next thing to do is to remove some of the leaves. So I'm not going to actually take the leaves off, and I'm actually going to cut them in half there, because what I want to do is all the energy to go into this part of the cutting and not this part here. So now we have our cutting. We can insert it into a pot. Some people use hormone rooting powder. I've used this before, but I've also created many cuttings without it, so it's not essential. You firm that into the pot and water in, and then finally you need to create some sort of propagator, and I find these shower caps really useful that I nick from hotels. Put over the top of the cutting, maybe seal it with an elastic band or something, and then place the pot in a warm place, not direct sunlight, and then within a couple of weeks your cutting should strike. And to check that your cutting is actually ready, if you look at the plant you might see some new leaves appearing from the centre, but if you look in the centre, this part of the leaf here will start to turn a brighter green colour, meaning that it's starting to behave properly like a plant and feed, so the roots are likely to be there, and you can lift it then from the pot, so gently with the roots, and put it into another pot and create your plant. That's how you make a cutting.